This genuine American icon from the early 1900s is an antique that will be a conversation piece for your man cave or entertainment room like no other. From the City of Angels' famous West Side and its opulent Miracle Mile, this large neon sign marked the place to obtain gold and diamonds to put on the Ritz. This beacon of opulence from the era of flappers, speakeasies, infamous gangsters, and movie stars at the height of Hollywood's glory still exists and is available for your collection at artfactory.com.